Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. In this first session, we are going to talk about e-learning. E-learning, I hope after 1 hour and a half discussion and presentation, we'll be able all to understand what is e-learning, what are the benefits, what is going on, and what are the next steps. So this morning we are going to offer diversified presentations. We will start with introduction with Mr. Thomas Peterman, Senior Project Manager from GIZ. Then another presentation I will give myself about learning the concepts and the challenges for Aqua. And then we will have presentation about e-learning on sanitation. Mustafa Mahi will tell us more about this. And after that, we will have e-learning from the perspective of e-tutors and participants. And we will have a discussion, I don't know the arrangements, but we will discover this with our e-tutors. Just to tell you that some presentation will be in Arabic and other in English for those who need to have the headers for the translation. But just, I was wondering before starting, how many people have already been in e-learning courses? Can we have a quick survey? How many people in this room have been already in e-learning? So 30%? So 40%. 40%. And how many people know what is exactly e-learning? Have an idea what e-learning is? 50%. Okay, we will have the same survey at the end of the session. Okay, I think we should start. Mr. Peterman, the floor is yours.
Yes, Sabah al-Khair. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Mr. Chairperson, Mustafa Biat, and all participants. So we are now going to learn something about e-learning, and I wonder that more people are experts in e-learning, if I'm correct, than who have participated in e-learning. But we will see. As Mustafa told you, from the sequence, we are not only giving presentations from those who are designing, administering the e-learning, but also from those who are attending them from the perspective of tutors and participants. So the e-learning is part of the Aqua One program. It's complementary to some other activities that we are doing, and we are doing it mainly through Aqua, the secretariat, but two important implementing partners are the holding company, where roughly 40 to 60% of the participants are from, and with ONE. Later you will hear from our team what are they specifically doing. So we believe, and we introduced e-learning in 2009 in the region, that it's a modern and flexible format of learning. We offer two e-learning courses. One is called e-WUM, Water Utility Management, and the other one is e-SAN, Sanitation. So it's implemented by the regional project that will end in 2015. The partners are Aqua and its members, and specifically in Egypt and in Morocco, who are administering. But of course, the participants are all over from the region. So this sequence of e-courses started in 2011 under the MENA 1 program in these days, and it was partly conducted together with participants from Africa, from East Africa. So the courses are announced by Aqua. They are open, the applications are open, and it's currently free for staff from Aqua members. These can be utilities, ministries, agencies, regulators, whatever. Each course has much more than 100 applications, can be even 150, and about 60 participants are then selected by Aqua and the course administration by applying a transparent list with a mix of individual criteria and institutional and country criteria to have a good balance. So one course, it's the course on organizational development. It's called EWUM. It's the water utility management, and it's based on the guidebook, impact guidebook, that it's displayed in front of you. And it has 3 modules. Mustafa will explain a little bit more in detail, based on the modules and chapters of the guidebook on managing an organization, leading and managing people, and applying good practices. And the course was developed by one of our consultants. We are working with him since a couple of years. Already we started in Africa, and it's Markgraf, and with the authors from the Impact Guidebook. So the second course, or the second sequence of course, consists of 2 types of courses. One is sector governance and urban sanitation, and the second course is new urban sanitation systems and technology, NUST. What does it mean, new? Under the umbrella term new sanitation systems, we are comprising all decentralized systems, ecosan, alternative sanitation systems, or non-conventional sanitation systems. So it's a comprehensive title, and we are also using the term that is used by the German Water Association when they are promoting the new systems. So the course development was also again by Markgraf with a team of sanitation experts and with EAWAG, that's the Swiss government organization who developed particular for the new urban sanitation systems and technologies training manual. And they are granted permission that we are able to use it. So managing the courses means there's a marketing concept under preparation that Aqua can continue the courses beyond 2016. Our partner, the institute in One, is developing a concept to run the e-sanitation courses in French in Francophone Africa, including the MENA region, Maghreb. So the e-courses are managed by a course administrator, by the Aqua Secretariat, who is announcing the course, collecting all the applications, by a team of regional e-tutors, trainers who work in a team. We do have standard operation procedures for the guidelines, for the tutors. We have tutorials to guide the e-learning process. The whole learning process is guided and monitored and evaluated by the e-tutors. And later you will have the opportunity to hear what they are doing. And there's a continuous feedback provided online by the e-tutors, and communication is amongst the group of trainers. So one important element of the whole training, of the preparation for e-learning courses, is the training of trainers for e-tutors. And one depends on another, as you see on the right photo. Here we are working in a team. And now further details will be given by the administrators, by the e-tutors, and by the participants. So this was my short introduction. And now you will hear from the practitioners.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Peterman. You are right in time. 7 minutes. Congratulations. Yeah. The next presentation is mine. I will be talking about the e-learning definitions. What's going on? Benefits, project activities, the course process. I will talk mainly about the EWOM, utility management, e-learning course, how it is developed, what are the main steps, and also talk about some challenges, and also give you some idea about some feedback from participants. So e-learning, also known as web-based training, refers to courses, programs, training programs, or degree delivered completely online. And we should specify and clarify that it is not different from courses something is wrong with the... It's different from courses sometimes developed on DVD or in some TV channels where there is no interaction. Because the main specificity of the e-learning is interaction between participants, and also with the e-tutors. And this is virtual learning space, also called learning platform or shared workspace, etc. And in this space, we can find in the platform, in the website, hosting the course, we can find the course material. So all the documents, all the videos related to the course, and also some tools for communication, for interaction, for quiz question, for tests, and also for also some hidden aspects linked to the administration and to the tutoring parts. So there are some communication tools. And also I want to tell you that I was involved in e-learning the first time in 2005 as e-tutor with Invent, former GIZ. And in that time, something is wrong with this. And that time, the IT at that time, the information technology was not as advanced as in those times. And that time, but now we are using a lot of tools provided by the new technologies. We are also using social media for interaction and also for instance, we use. No, this is not mine. It's supposed to be.
You're using this one.
The second one. Yes. They're purana. And now we are using social media for interaction and also for working groups. And we are creating private groups. We are talking about the technology and some bugs. We can't avoid some bugs.
Social media are not social.
I will collect this. No. Like this. Okay. Is it clear enough or I should? Sufficient. Shilton?
هذا الأصل صح؟
Oui.
هذا السورس
Yes.
اوكي
And also we are using at that time we will use in chat rooms and just communicating by chatting. But now we are using webinar and we are using online conferences. We can see each other and we can talk to each other online. And also very important, e-learning is self-discipline and is self-management, is self-committed from the participants. That's very important. And they are supported by each tutors. Their main role, we will see later, is mainly facilitating the interaction and also helping in the different aspects. And also we have administrators, sometimes administrators, it depends on the complexity or also the number of participants. The benefits, there are many benefits linked to e-learning. The most important is the effectiveness. It's cost effective, efficient use of the resources and the facilities and of the trainers, minimize the travel time, increase workplace productivity. Our staff or our trainers are not away from their working place or from home, and it's everywhere. We can see every time, everywhere, 24 hours, 7 days. You can use your tablet or your smartphone to access to the course. Also, you can very important. You are not obliged to all the time be online. Sometimes you can download the course and you can have the course offline. So if some areas they have not very good access to internet, when, for instance, for those who are engineers that go for instance, for work extraction, etc., they can take the offline course. And also we can edit the courses very quickly, and we can be flexible about it depends on our audience, and also can be reused for other purposes and can be duplicated. And as I explained, we can extensive use of social media for interaction. Project activities, I will pass quickly because it will be presented by Mustafa Mahi, and my time is consumed by these funny things on the internet and on this computer. And just to tell you that now we have already started EWIM courses, and we have the EWIM courses is developed in 3 courses. I will develop in few minutes. But what is the process of the e-course? The e-course will have 3 main steps. The first one takes all time for one module. It takes 1 week. It's acquiring knowledge. It's a reading phase. We have all the course material for reading, for the videos, for statements, and it depends 15, 12 hours to read, to go through the course. And the second week is mainly for exchange. Reflect and Remix, it's collaboration phase. All the participants are together via Facebook or via other tools. They can interact, they can exchange. We create private forum about one or 2 topics, it depends. And also we have webinar. Webinar, it's online lecture or online conference where it takes 2 hours. Generally it takes 2 hours. And the third part is the closing, and we have tests, we have quiz question just to prove knowledge. The course administration, we have the course announcement, very important. This is one of the challenges because the announcements all the time don't reach all the participants or all the utilities. And that's, for instance, we have this, I will talk in the challenges, I think it will be better. And then the next phase is the application and the registration. And the applications and the selection is done through some criteria, transparent and clear criteria, and applied by Aqua and also by the utilities. And then we start the course, and here is the role of the tutors for performance monitoring during the course, and also for creating the climate for interaction and for learning. And then we have the results evaluation, and then after the course we have the certificates. The EWOM courses that are applied, it was explained by Thomas, are based on the Water Impact Guidebook. And it's modular e-learning course. We have divided in three different sections. And for instance, in 2014, we ran 3 courses. Those courses, we have EWOM 1. It's mainly related to managing organizations. And we have 3 units. EWOM 2. It's related to leading and managing people. We have 2 units. And we have EWOM 3. EWOM 3, there are 3 units. And each unit, it takes 1 week for reading, 1 week for reflect and remix, and 1 week for evaluation and for results. So the first result we have last year, it was said by Thomas, we have all the time around 100 participants. It depends, 100, it was 82, I think, here. And we have some participants are inactive, so we have the active participants and the participants that really succeed to have the certificates. And here I will just show you some, and after the course we have also evaluation, not evaluation for the participants, and also evaluation from the participants. We have a survey questionnaire, and the participants, they evaluate what they think about the course, and it's a structured questionnaire. And also we give free space for comments. I can't work. For here, I like this statement by one participant. He said that it was my first experience. He was imagining without sitting in class how the learning can be done. But after that, he said that it's 100 beneficial, consolidating all the concepts and all the learning, stimulating and application of what we learned. He liked the tools, webinar, Facebook groups, and it's effective and efficient. Other small statements, integrated knowledge. I liked most the videos and short reading before